washer, and also the pathogens. And finally, cotton removes the color of the water or anything. It can also remove the percent of the particles by 15%.
Now that we've covered the materials, I'm going to talk about how we build our beautiful model right now. Right, first things first, we take two basins and put them together. The top basin will store the rainwater, and the bottom basin will store the clean or filtered water. Now, the second step is to put this turbine, which is made up of our trombos, on the top basin. And then we drill a hole through the top basin, and then under that we install the filter, which is made from resin, activated carbon, sand, and cotton. And finally, we put together our electrical appliances, which is the dynamo, wires, fault controller, and finally the LSD.
Now, the moment you have been waiting for, the demonstration. But before I get into demonstrating to you our physical model, I have prepared a 3D video animation for you to see a step-by-step mechanism of how our machine actually works. So, let's begin the video, shall we? When it rains, the turbine will spin according to the rainwater, causing the gear and belt to operate as well. The gear and belt operating is actually creating mechanical energy. And this mechanical energy will be converted into electricity by this dynamo over here. And the converted electricity will run through this wire into this voltage controller, which controls the voltage. And the voltage will go through, and the voltage controller will get the hold of the electricity that will brighten up this LED USB light. By this, electricity will be easily generated by just water falling from the sky. Speaking of water, we can't let the water go to waste, right? So we have prepared these two containers to capture the rainwater. By the first container will capture the water that is spun with the turbine, flowing down through this filtration process, leaving us with clean and drinkable water. With this, both electricity and clean and drinkable water will be easily generated by exploiting the rainwater. I hope this video has helped you visualize how our model actually works. So now, I'll be demonstrating to you our physical model. As you can see here, it will light up, and then leaving us with clean and drinkable water at the second basin. Okay, thank you.
We expect to be able to generate electricity from the water. The spinning of the turbine is where the energy will be generated. We also expect to receive purified water from the filtration process.
In conclusion, the concept of utilizing rainwater to generate electricity while acquiring clean, drinkable water can help solve two globally crucial problems: the shortage of energy and the shortage of uncontaminated water. Our machine exploits rainwater by using it to generate electricity, which would be extracted from the spinning of the turbine, and filters water, which creates a new drinkable water source by putting the rainwater through a process of advanced filtration.
Thank you to our references.
Thank you for listening to our